Most Amazon sellers don't have a traffic problem. They have a conversion problem. You can spend thousands on ads every year, but if your listing isn't optimized for SEO and conversion, you're just burning money. Weak titles, weak bullet points, bad images, generic A+ content, this is where most brands lose every year. I'm Guillaume. I built Superlisting.io after generating over 145 million in sales on Amazon for the past 5 years. And this is a tool that is specifically designed for Amazon sellers, brands selling on this platform. And the idea is like to turn any product listing into listings that converts more and do better in terms of sales. Here we are inside the app Superlisting.io. As you can see on the left sidebar, we have several features available. The first one is the keyword analysis feature, which is really important for optimizing correctly your Amazon product listing. So basically what we do here is simply analysis like the Amazon search query report and also the ads report, especially for the sponsored product in search term. And from there, we are able to identify, okay, this keyword have this specific query volume. And from that, we can compare to the previous months and see if we are in the right direction. And we can also have like your own CTR compared to the market CTR and also your own conversion rate compared to the market conversion rate. And from that, we can see, okay, for this keyword specifically, we spend like $2,900 and we have an ACoS of roughly 19%. And yeah, you can easily like find different keywords that are underperforming or overperforming. And from that, like you can create like a specific keyword list that you will then use in the optimization section for optimizing your Amazon product listing. So now let's say you want to optimize or create like a new Amazon product listing for your brand. So basically what you will need to do is go to AI chat here. You will select Amazon. You can also optimize for your e-commerce website, Shopify, Magento, WooCommerce, whatever. It works the same, but I will show you like in another video how it works. You select the right marketplaces where you sell your product. Let's say you are selling in the States, like so basically you select Amazon.com. This is really important because like the Amazon backend keywords will be slightly different depending on if you are selling in United States or if you are selling on Amazon.ca or Amazon France. So yeah, this is important that you select the right marketplaces here. And for the purpose of this video, I will just try to get like the right example. So let's say we are working on a chocolate brand company. Let's say premium chocolate. We'll try to find the right example, which is this one. As you can see, this product listing is optimized, but not fully optimized. So we'll try to optimize it better. So what we could do is just simply copy paste the information here. Here we go. And from that, we just need to press enter, and then we just verify if all the information are correct here. It seems okay. We say yes, and then we let the tool create like the perfect Amazon product listing for your brand. Usually it takes like a few seconds to compile. Here we go. So now we have a good product title. We also have like the product description that is available right now. How to use the product. We also have the bullet points. Here we go. And finally, we also have the backend keywords. Yeah, and as you can see, this is like the keywords in Spanish that have been like added by the tool. So yeah, as you can see, we have like a fully optimized Amazon product listing. And of course, if you want to, let's say, like add or remove a few elements before saving it, like you can simply like adjust it, like yeah, I think this is it for today for this video.